you or for a change, but you don't know what it is that you're looking for. Well, here's something to think about. You didn't know everything the day that you were born. So why expect to know everything before starting something new? Every day you wake up is a fresh start. You know that you're going to get up, but you don't know how the rest of the day is going to go. You just take it one step at a time, and that's exactly what this online business is all about and how it works. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. There's a proven system, a step-by-step path, and the support that you've probably never had before. But here's the real talk. If you're already spending 2 hours a day scrolling aimlessly on your phone or on social media and not getting paid for it, then why not use those same 2 hours to build something that pays you? I'll show you how. Go to the link in my bio, or I'll pop it in the first comment below. Pop in your email and I'll send you the exact system that works for me. And let today be your day number